Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson.
Great, I am ready to write.
Today, we review ordinal numbers and like, love, and hate with ing verbs through active writing. First activity. Listen and write. Helps you hear a short text and write it correctly. Second activity. Make a sentence. Helps you build your own sentences with useful words.
Writing helps me remember the words.
Exactly. So take your pencil or keyboard and let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation. I will read a short text aloud, and you write what you hear.
I will listen carefully.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text to get a first idea before writing. Step 2. Write what you hear during the dictation, word by word. Step 3. Check and correct by comparing your writing with the original text. Do not worry about mistakes.
I can correct them later.
Good. Listen first, and then we begin the dictation. On the first day, Mia likes reading in the library. On the second day, she loves drawing with her brother. On the third day, she does not like running in the rain. Her fourth class is music, and she loves singing there. Now I will read slowly, part by part. Nexo, are you ready to write?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let us start the dictation now. On the first day. Mia likes reading in the library. On the second day. She loves drawing with her brother. On the third day. She does not like running in the rain. Her fourth class is music. And she loves singing there. Excellent work. Everyone, Nexo, how was the dictation for you?
It was slow and clear, and I could write many words.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use like, love, or hate with an ing verb.
So I write my own sentences.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise, so you have a model. Second, make your sentences. Use the main words and the helper words to create your own ideas. Use short and clear A1 sentences. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready to make sentences. First, my first class is English. Second, I love drawing in the second lesson. Third, she likes reading on the third day. Fourth, he hates running in the fourth game. The fifth song is fun. Sixth, we like singing in the sixth class.
Good job, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences.
I will wait while the learner writes.
Good job. Good job. You completed a writing lesson with dictation and sentence practice.
Nice work.
Keep practicing and see you next time.